Hello, and welcome to Interactive CAD and Tech. Today I'm going to just be going through the bare basics of the toolbox and how to use it. So to get started, I've got these two plates here with 4 holes through. So just to go through how I quickly modelled this plate, if I just go into the part, I've just modelled a 5mm thick plate with 4 holes in that are, if I just go into my reference sketch, 10mm from the edge in the center of the plate and 20mm apart. So to create the holes, I've not done an extrude cut. I've gone onto the hole wizard and gone a meta clearance hole for an M5 bolt. So this helps you when you're using the toolbox because Solidworks knows you want to put an M5 bolt through that hole. So if I just come out the part, just update my assembly. If I've assembled the same plate twice as if I want to bolt this together. So now I'm going to go up to these little books here on the right hand side, which is the design library. Go to Toolbox, and now it's come up saying your toolbox is not added in. So as a default, SolidWorks doesn't load up the toolbox because I think it speeds up the loading time. So if you click add in now, it turns on the add-in. If you want your toolbox to always load up every time, if you go into settings, add-ins, and tick toolbox library, and then tick startup, it will load up every time. So because I'm British, we'll go for British standards, BSI, and I want a bolt. So you've got all your standard nuts and bolts for this standard. So you can have different standards for different countries. So you've got your American National Standard Institute (ANSI) bolts and fittings, but I'm going to use Europe ISO, but I'm going to use BSI. So I'm just going to go for a hex bolt. Click the grade you want, and it's as simple as dragging and dropping it into your assembler. It detects the size of the hole, so it came in massive, and it's detected that this is an M5 bolt because I use the hole wizard. So it's saying, is it an M5? And then, which it is, and then I can select the length. So for this standard, the minimum bolt length is 25, so I'll leave it at that. Thread length, I'll leave it 16. And simplified for your thread display, so it doesn't crash your computer. So if I tick that, now this is selected as an M5 bolt, and I can click as many holes as I need to. To put that M5 bolt in. I've had a rogue click over there, so if I just escape, so this one bolt here, I can just delete. So now I've got an M5 bolt going through these two plates. I need to put the nuts on. So same again, if I just go to the standard that I was using, so it was BSI, bolts and screws, but I want to go to nuts, hex nuts, and we'll go for just a standard hex nut grade C. Drag it near the bolt, it detects it's M5, so it puts it to the right configuration, let go, M5, and then same again, on the left hand side, select your settings that you need, tick. And then now I've got this M5 bolt, and I can place this on any bolt I need to. It's just as simple as that. And there we go. And there you have it. A nice, easy, quick tutorial on how to use the toolbox library in SolidWorks. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.